Hey guys, welcome to Kayley's Kitchen. Today I'm here with my friend Tess.
Hi! You know what, Kayley, do you like churros?
Yes. Do you like chips?
Yeah. Today we're going to be making churro chips. This is a fun and easy recipe to master.
All you need is cinnamon, sugar, melted butter, and then tortillas. Start by adding the cinnamon to the sugar, then mix it.
Then stir. Next, cut up your tortilla like a pizza. First, brush the tortilla with butter.
Now sprinkle the cinnamon on top.
Then put it on a pan. Next, take the tortillas and put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes.
Before we take it out of the oven,
Be sure to click the button to subscribe.
and don't forget to give this video a great big thumbs up.
A few moments later.
Once they're nice and crispy, take them out. Ask a parent for help. Now enjoy.
Pro tip, it's really good with vanilla ice cream.
Delicious.